I want to tell you something really cool that I hope makes your day better. There's an element of your life that is truly beautiful. In the springtime, you see that light? That light comes into my kitchen beautifully. I savor that. And this candle smells so good. I'm pretty obsessed with it. And I don't have a job, so I have all the free time in the world to make tiny little sticks. They're supposed to save my plates from cracking in the kiln. Apparently one of my subscribers is an elf, and she told me to check out Dr. Arthur Brooks. That's the guy on my phone there. He was telling me about savoring your life, and I thought, gosh, that's something important to share with people. You guys should check him out. He's really great. So I was thinking, if you could think about your own life and what you savor about your life, like what's really great about your life, share it with us. It'll make us all happy. The whole internet is full of negativity. Let's bring some light in here. I've been working on a couple of handmade plates for my family. Well, handmade, thrown on the pottery wheel. I made one dinner plate, one salad plate, and a bowl. But I am not glazing them today. Today they are in the bisque kiln. Today I am working on Space Cowboy. This will be Space Cowboy 2.0. But before I do that, I need to clean up this reclaimed clay. As you can see on my workbench, there's Space Cowboy 1.0 lying on his side, broken. At approximately 2:14 p.m. on June 24th of 2026, suspect was seen being a klutz and knocked the fin off. She goes by various aliases, including Julie in miniature. The suspect is being held for questioning. No need to light up your pitchforks. We're going to throw the book at her. In all seriousness, I am savoring time with my son while he's still home. After wedging the clay, I am wheel wedging and making Rocket Man all over from scratch, as you can see. I sped up the film, but you can always slow it down in YouTube. I would just turn off the sound or it's gonna sound really weird. Okay, so to rebuild this man, it's going to take me 3 days. That's why I didn't want to do it, and I was trying to repair the fin on the other one. Unfortunately, it's stuck on right now, but I think it's gonna fall off in the kiln. I'm gonna try to fire it. Also, the glaze probably spread everywhere. I don't want to talk about it. Let's just say what the process for this one is. I'm throwing the rocket ship on this small ceramics pottery wheel called the small wheel. This is a very original name. I have to leave it out overnight. It's very humid here lately. It's not usually. We're in a semi-arid environment in Texas. Anyway, I leave that out overnight, and then I come back, and this is my other pair of pajamas that my best friend gave me for Christmas, and I think they're so cute. They're Wicked themed. Isn't that cool? Anyway, now I am throwing on the wheel the helmet for Space Cowboy. And then I'm going to attach it, sculpt, put the arms on, the little chair, the whole thing, and add the fins. So what you're seeing here is chapter 1 of Space Cowboy 2.0. I gotta tell you, 2.0 looks a heck of a lot like 1.0, but I'm gonna savor my days. Even though things sometimes go wrong, I have the privilege of being allowed to sculpt during the day. After looking back while editing this video, I see that I love the way the arms came out in this one compared to the prior. Seriously, take a look at the size of the melon on this thing. It's just going to take me another day of sculpting, but that doesn't matter because what's important is that this art project comes out in the way that I want it to come out. Oh my gosh, you guys, thank you so much for sticking through the whole video. I had great news. Nothing exploded in the bisque fire. If you enjoyed this video, why not stick around and watch another?